Student, today we will continue our previous topic, which is adverb and kinds of adverb. Okay, and we will discuss about the kinds of adverb. In your previous class, I will teach about two kinds of adverb. Rest of the adverb are discussed in today's class. Okay, so try to understand this topic very carefully and an easy way. If you have any doubt related this topic, then ask me, okay, in Tino app. So the next one is adverb of time or frequency. Adverb of time and frequency. Time means which indicate the time when the work has been done. What is the time of that? Okay. Adverb of time / frequency indicate time or frequency of the action when the action has been done in the sentence. For example, I will leave Monday. When I am leave on Monday. And there are two types, when and how types question are arises. Okay, यहाँ पे दो टाइप के क्वेश्चन अराइज होते हैं, एक व्हेन टाइप एंड हाउ टाइप. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. Adverb of place is that indicate the action where it happens. Okay, where it happens, कहाँ ये होता है. Adverb of place that indicate place of the action in the sentence. It will indicate the place of action where it happens. I went through the jungle. मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? जंगल की तरफ. I went through the jungle. I am going to London. This type of sentence are included in adverb of place. Okay. Now next one is adverb of degree. Adverb that express the importance, degree of an action in the sentence are called adverb of degree. It indicate what is the importance in the sentence. Okay, express the importance. क्या importance है? Just like that, I am so excited. How excited? So about the new job, and the reason behind the excitement is he is getting the new job. That is why he is so excited. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? फीलिंग अपना एक्सप्रेस किया जा रहा है, और वो फीलिंग कैसा होता है? एक्साइटमेंट वाला, इम्पोर्टेंस वाला, जो बहुत ही ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. गेटिंग अ जॉब इज नॉट अ smaller thing. It will become with any person. If anyone has getting a job, then he is very happy or very excited. Every person, it is related to every person. Now next one is adverb of manner. Adverb that express the manner, process of the action in the sentence. Okay, it express the manner of the sentence, of the action. Okay, and that is called adverb of manner. Please handle the camera carefully, because if the holder cannot hold the camera carefully, that the camera will slip from his hand and then it's broke. Okay, that is why he is telling that please handle the camera, but he is expressing the manner that carefully. You have to hold the camera carefully. Okay, so here your adverb and its kind are completed. Now from next day I will give you the exercise of this chapter, so just do that.